right. Okay. Now today we are answering 2.1. All right. Now the question here says determine the length of B. Okay. So now this is for grade 8. Okay. Now when the given right angle triangle. Okay, as you can see here. Now we are given a right angle triangle, which we can identify by this small square in the corner here. Right, that means we can use the Pythagoras theorem to solve this. Right, now, as you remember, the Pythagoras theorem goes that you have to have, so it's a squared plus b squared would then be equals to c squared. All right, now A and B are the shorter sides, right? Which are the legs. Now C here is the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, right? Which is always opposite the right angle. Okay, so let me just remove this. All right. So now from the diagram, as we can see that one leg is 99 centimeters, sorry. Now, and the hypotenuse, which is opposite the right angle, is 15 centimeter. Now, and now you have the unknown side, which is B, which is the second leg, this one. So this we do not know. All right. Now, as we remember this equation here that I wrote, AB squared, which is equals to C squared. Now we need to substitute. Okay, so we're going to substitute it. So we'll say 9 squared with this value here plus B squared. All right, because it's the unknown value. Okay, and with the hypotenuse, which is 15 squared. All right. Now we need to calculate each term. Okay, you'll have 9 squared, which will give you 81 plus, and just write this as B in plus B squared, the one that we're looking for. Okay, which will then be equals to 15 squared, which is 225. All right. Now we need to solve for b squared. Okay. So now we have b squared here. Okay, let me just write it in green. Okay. It have b squared, which will then be equals to 225 minus 81. Right, so we transpose this 81, this side on the right hand side. So the sign changes to a negative, which is 81. All right. Now, b squared here will then be equals to 144. Okay, because we have 225 minus 81, which was to 144. All right. So now we need to get the square root to get rid of this cube, right? So now we will say b squared, we'll say b is equals to the square root. So we're squaring both sides, right? There's I mean, using a square root of both on the left side and the right side as well. All right. So we'll say you have what here? Can I just put this in blue? Okay. You have 144. All right. Square root. So now your answer here, you then say the square root of 144. This is the square root of 144. Then use your calculator. It will then give you 12. So this side here will be equals to 12. Okay. So this is the correct answer here. It's 12. All right. So you'll have 12 centimeters, of course. Okay, right. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you.